Alright, here we go. Bitcoin in 3 minutes or less. Sometimes people think Bitcoin is very complicated, but I'm actually gonna break it down for you in this one simple analogy. So, Bitcoin is simply email but for money. The same way email allows you to send messages to anyone, anywhere in the world using the internet, Bitcoin allows you to send money to anyone, anywhere in the world using the internet. Let's break it down. Imagine you want to send an email. The first thing that you need to do is to install an email client. For example, Outlook on your desktop. Maybe you already have the email on your iPhone. And if you prefer to use a web solution, you could use Gmail. For Bitcoin, you also need to first install the right software, which is a Bitcoin wallet. For your desktop, you can either choose Bitcoin Core or Bitcoin Nuts. Then for your phone, there's a lot of different wallets. And if you wanted to, you could even use the wallet provided by your exchange, for example, Kraken. Once you have the software installed, for email you need to create an account, which means an email address as well as a super secret password that needs to be kept secret, because otherwise people can get access to your email account. For Bitcoin, it's even easier. All you need is a private key, which is also referred to as the seed phrase. The seed phrase is just 12 to 24 words, and they give access to your Bitcoin wallet. So just like your super secret password, you want to keep your seed phrase secret. Once you've installed the software and created an account, all you need to do to send an email is to specify the receiver's email address and the message and hit send. With Bitcoin, it's just as easy. All you need is the recipient's address, which I have blurred out in part here because this is just a random screenshot I found on the internet. And then you need to specify the amount and continue. And that's it. Bitcoin is just as easy as sending an email. Even your grandma can do it.